Hey guys, welcome back to Emma's Slime. I miss you guys so much. As you already can tell by the title, this is going to be a little countdown video and a little bit of a show video. Like, I want to show you stuff. So, and also my ancient doll back there. And before we get started, I have 3 things I want you guys to comment down below. You can either do all of them, or just 2, or just 1. And I might even reply to them. I might even give them a like. I might give them a love. I might do whatever I want to do with them. I might even do it. I might even name it. You'll see. The first one is, do you want me to do some sign language videos for you guys, and then you can learn sign language and teach your parents or siblings do sign language. The second one is, do you want me to do American Girl doll videos? Because I love to. And yeah, and cat videos. That's the second part. Because I would love to. And yeah. The third one is what do you think I should call, you know, like all those some of the YouTubers, for the fans, they call something. They call like a blank family something, you know. And so I'm wondering if you guys can give me an idea of it. And I might even choose one, and I might give a shout out to you guys. And also, I will give a shout out to you guys. And I'll give you a shout out. I already know who the shout out goes to. It goes to one of my YouTube fans. And you'll be seeing her in a couple days in videos. So it'll be in some of her videos. So make sure you go check out her videos later this week, next week technically. But yeah. So that's all I wanted to say. So let's go. So, I have this little countdown thing. It's rainbow erasers. Don't mind the slips down there. It's just kind of pretty. And I have 3 erasers I sent it. Well, there's technically 2 days left. But so I'm going to take one of the other ones and put it in there. Ready? Ready? It starts in 1, 2, 3. Yay! Finally, there's only 2 days left until Christmas. Sorry, the lighting's a little bad. Just using a lamp. So now let me show you a couple things. So I have this. I have these pencils called Smencil, and I'll show you guys these in a couple videos, maybe all of the videos. I don't know. But this one has a really cute penguin on it. With earmuffs, I think. Looks like it, or maybe just the back and it's pretty. So here's the whole thing, dun, 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 dun. And on the back of it shows what flavor it is. You do not eat it. It's kind of the smell, but I'm just saying flavor. So, and it's candy cane, and the top even smells candy cane. The container smells candy cane. The lens, the pencil smells like candy cane. Not the eraser, but the lens, the black part smells it after you write it a little bit, not a lot. But yeah, I wish you guys would smell this. It smells so good. And another thing I wanted to show you guys is this sign. And I think I should show you guys this because it's really pretty. It has teal, and it has glitter, it has white, it has really pretty blue, and it's really beachy, and just positive, and nice, and thinkable, and just nice, and stuff. So, it's what it looks, and I like the background because it's so beachy-like, but like a hardware look, like, yeah, you know. And I got this at the hardware store, so yeah. And I also want to tell you guys something. Maybe it might be in another video. I don't know. But yeah. Actually, I'm not going to tell you guys. Actually, let me get this first. And it says, wishing you peace, joy, and love. My favorite part about this is it's pretty, and I like the glitter, and I think it's really positive and true. What's true about it is, you really want peace. You don't want wars. You don't want fighting. You want peace. You want a friendship. And joy. You want to be happy. You know, you gotta be happy. And love. I like this part. So pretty. Love. You have to have love. You have to love your families, your siblings, your pets and stuff. Do not hate them. If you hate them, then you just never got them in the first place. Anyways, bing dong, bing dong. So I love that side. Okay, so now on to that thing I was talking about earlier. So I'm gonna give you a hint. It's something that's gonna happen to these. Maybe. I'm not gonna actually lie. I'm not gonna lie, but it might happen. Okay, maybe not really going to happen. It might happen. It might something else. Maybe something will happen to these guys. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below if I should do sign language videos so then you can teach your family, your siblings, your friends and stuff. And comment down below what do you think I should call the blank family for you guys fan. And then my third, what if you think I should do American Girl Doll videos in class, because I would love to. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And put my post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a new video. And until next time,